Welcome back to Let's Learn with Ruhi. Today we will learn some English sentences that help us speak kindly and confidently every day. Let's begin. Now we are going to learn some easy and polite sentences you can use in everyday life. Sorry to disturb you. We say sorry to disturb you when we want to talk to someone who might be busy. Sorry to disturb you. May I talk to you for a minute? I beg your pardon. This is a polite way to ask someone to repeat what they said or to say sorry. I beg your pardon. I didn't hear you clearly. I am sorry. I got late. Use this when you didn't arrive on time. I am sorry. I got late for school today. I am sorry. I couldn't make it in time. Say this if you couldn't reach our place or attend an event on time. I am sorry. I couldn't make it in time for the meeting. I am sorry. I couldn't make it that day. Say this when you miss a plan or event or appointment. I am sorry. I couldn't make it to your birthday party. Please beg my apologies. A formal and respectful way to say sorry. Please beg my apologies for the confusion. It was all by mistake. Please excuse me. Use this when something happened accidentally. It was all by mistake. Please excuse me. Allow me to say. Say this when you politely want to share your thoughts. Allow me to say, you have done a wonderful job. May I have your attention, please? Use this when you want everyone to listen to you. May I have your attention, please? Let's start the session. It's all yours. Say this when you offer something to someone. You can sit here. It's all yours. Will you please permit me to speak? A respectful way to ask for your turn to talk. Will you please permit me to speak now? Let me also help you. Say this when you want to lend a helping hand. Let me also help you carry the bags. Will you please move a bit? Use this when you need some space. Will you please move a bit to the left? Will you please speak slowly? Use this if you are learning English or didn't catch what someone said. Will you please speak slowly? I am still learning. Will you mind keeping a low tone, please? Use this to politely ask someone to speak softly. Will you mind keeping a low tone, please? I am trying to study. Will you please let me sit? Say this when you are looking for a seat. Will you please let me sit here for a while? Practice polite sentences for everyday use. Can you please turn off the lights? Please call me when you reach home. Could you please pass the salt? Please speak slowly. I am learning English. May I borrow your pen? Please? Please don't make so much noise. Can you please repeat that? at the beginning or end of a request. Please don't forget to bring your ID. Don't be late. Please. Please help me with my homework. That was fun, right? Practice these sentences and speak with kindness and confidence. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.